Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Pilian O. Mendoza. I'm 34 years old. I have 2 kids and I'm high school graduate.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong for my family needs and my kids' future.
Do you have working experience abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes, I have working experience in ex-Malaysia for 4 years as domestic helper.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
My responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, washing clothes and dishes, and hold household.
Did you take care of baby, child, or elderly?
Yes, I took good care of baby and children.
Can you tell us how can you take care of them?
Baby bathing, feeding, changing diaper and clothes, sterilizing my baby father.
Aside from taking care of them, what is your skills?
Aside from taking care of them, I know how to cook Filipino food, willing to learn how to cook Chinese food.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
As domestic helper, it's necessary to be loyal, honest, trustworthy, and hardworking.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
Hi, Madam Sir. Please choose me as your domestic helper because I am loyal, honest, trustworthy, and hardworking person. Thank you and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.